guys, it's Robin here with WTI. Everyone knows sooner or later you are going to need a plunger and a toilet brush, so let's check out this one from MR.SIGA. So this here is a dual purpose plunger. As you can see here, right now it is folded in, so it's perfect to use on drains and plugs, things like that, but it does also change to be able to use on a toilet. So guys, when you turn it the inside, you can pop it out, and then it has more of a collar on it that can be used in a toilet. So it is very versatile in that sense. You get pretty much two plungers all built into one, which is, as always, a really fantastic idea and super useful too. The brush is also very simplistic, but why mess with something when you have a really great design anyways? So it is great. It does have the little air vents in the bottom, so it doesn't just build up with moisture and funk in there as well. So guys, it's a simple design, a simple function, but this does it really well. So I love it. I think it's great. I love how tidy it is, but that's just my point of view.